Welcome to appleguide. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to customize your Safari start page on your MacBook. You can customize the start page by setting a customized background for your Safari start page. Go to Safari. If you have a blank page like this, what you need to do is click on this icon. Now to customize the background, click on these three icons at the right hand corner, and then from here you can select whichever background you like. Let's select this one. As you can see, it's changed to that background, or if I select this, it's also changed to this background. Now if you want a personalized background, there are two ways to do this. One is to click on this arrow and then select a background. As you can see, it's already made the changes. Another way to select a customized background is if you minimize the window and you already have a background on your desktop, what you need to do is just drag and drop, and as you can see again, it's changed the background. This is how you customize the Safari start page on your MacBook.